Hi there and welcome to our channel. I'm Shelley and Sep's behind the camera.
Hello.
And it's a beautiful day today here in Allgäu in Germany. We're going to shorten this sofa into an easy chair. We're going to lower the back down so we get rid of this pillow. Then we're going to shorten the length of it so that we've got a nice easy chair, which is then probably easier to sell. Our first job is to take the settee apart. Here is the settee, totally took apart. We're going to take the back bit and start to alter that first. Sep's going to use the circular saw now and cut the wood down to size. Our first cut is going to be on this and this end of the chair. The chair is going to be 60 centimetres wide, so it's going to measure 60 centimetres, then saw this with the circular saw off. Once we've done that, we can measure in 22 centimetres from here. That's the size of the pillow that we don't want, or the cushion that we don't want to use. We're going to fix this with a piece of wood and some clamps so that it doesn't move too much, and then we can saw across these here. In the last bit of the video that we've just gone, you've just seen us taking these parts out. This is part of the back that was sawn off. We don't need these anymore, but we need this. This is the top part of the back of the chair. And as you can see, there's holes in there to put the doweling in. And these holes we're going to mark on these pieces of wood and then attach using some doweling these wood to this top bit of the chair. To help us drill the holes, we need this template. We made this template from this pieces of wood. We removed the two doweling. If you want to see how to remove doweling, then take a look at our YouTube short. And then once they're removed, we sawed off a little bit and then we drilled the holes completely through. Then we can take it over here and place it on here with this piece of wood on top. Clamp the two in position, and then with the drill we can drill in each hole, and we've got exactly where the doweling's got to go. We're now nearly finished with the back part of the chair. What we've got to do is we've got to put these slits into the chair, and as you can see at this end we've got these holes that we've got to drill in. They've got to go on this side as well so we can join the chair together. We're going to drill two holes in here with a 16mm drill, and then we're going to use the router and make these grooves. We're going to do the same down the bottom as well, and then we're going to drill these holes in. And all we've done is we've just measured the exact place where these are, so we know where they've got to go over here. Here's the front piece of wood of the settee, or in that case now the chair. And on the back we've got these metal bits. These are to hold the seating into place. We're going to take these off because they're not in the right position. We need then 2 of them. Then we're going to cut here 60 centimetres because our chair is 60 centimetres wide, and we've got a hole here which we're going to do exactly here with the router, and then there's holes on here as well which we're going to drill in, so then we can join the chair back together again. And then 2 of these are going in the middle so it will hold the seating into place. We've got here the sides of the chairs that have to be altered now. We've got to shorten them up here by 22 centimetres. We've got to take out this piece of metal, drill a new hole and put the piece of metal in. This is the underneath the seating, so we're going to remove this plastic cover. I'm going to throw that away. I'm going to make a new one. Then Sep's going to cut 1/3 of this off. We've got to cut off here and here so that it's nice and square, 60 centimetres wide, and then it can go back onto the chair. Everything's prepared, and now we're going to put the chair together again. So here's the chair that used to be a settee, and I'm going to bring the cushions to go on that I've already sewn. I'll put a link down below from someone who makes these cushions. She can show you better than I can how to make them, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks' time. Bye bye.